Xero's invoicing automates billing, tracks payments, and syncs with accounting, ideal for small businesses. Requires a Xero subscription, Starter Plus. Start with setup, add customers, contacts, add contact, and branding, settings, invoice settings, new branding theme. Steps: create invoice, business, invoices, new invoice. Select customer or add new.
Add line items, description, quantity, unit price, account code, auto-suggests. Optional: attach files, set due date, enable online payments, Stripe, PayPal. Customize: apply branding theme, logo, colors. Add tracking categories, for example, department. Send, save and send, email directly, custom message, or copy link for portal. Clients pay via card or bank, auto-reconciles. Track and follow-up. Dashboard shows awaiting payment. Set reminders, settings, invoice settings, auto-reminders. Record partial payments in invoice. Tips: use repeating invoices for subscriptions. Mobile, Xero app, invoices, create and send on the go. Export PDF or print. Integrates with 800+ apps like CRM,